Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Skrill as a payment method to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, make sure you have a Skrill account. Go to your Shopify store and click on Settings. Select Payments. Scroll down and click on Add Payment Method. From the list of payment methods, search for Skrill and click Activate. Enter your account information, including your merchant email and secret word. And now finally, click Activate Skrill. That's it. You have successfully added Skrill as a payment method to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.